Throughout history, constellations have captured the imagination of countless cultures, each weaving their own legends and stories into the patterns of stars in the night sky. Ancient myths often attributed divine origins or heroic tales to these celestial formations, giving them significance beyond their physical appearance. In contrast, modern astronomy approaches constellations from a scientific perspective, focusing on their role in mapping the sky and understanding stellar phenomena. The shift from mythological interpretation to scientific observation highlights how our relationship with the cosmos has evolved over time. By examining both ancient legends and contemporary astronomical views, we gain a deeper appreciation for the enduring fascination of the stars and the ways in which they continue to inspire wonder. Constellations are groups of stars that form recognizable patterns in the night sky. Throughout history, these patterns have played a significant role in both culture and science. Ancient civilizations often used constellations for navigation, storytelling, and as part of their mythologies. In many cultures, constellations were believed to influence human affairs or represent important deities and legends. Scientifically, constellations have helped astronomers organize and map the sky, making it easier to locate celestial objects. Over time, the understanding of constellations has evolved, but their importance in connecting humanity to the cosmos remains unchanged. Throughout history, ancient civilizations gazed at the night sky and saw patterns among the stars. These patterns, known as constellations, were often named and shaped by the myths and beliefs of each culture. People connected the dots in the sky to form figures of gods, legendary heroes, and mythical creatures, weaving their stories into the cosmos. The Greeks, for example, linked constellations to tales from their mythology, such as Orion the hunter or Andromeda the princess. Similarly, other cultures created their own star lore, reflecting values, fears, and hopes. By naming and interpreting the constellations, early humans brought meaning to the vastness above, turning the night sky into a tapestry of stories and symbols. Throughout history, constellations have been woven into the fabric of countless myths and legends across different cultures. In Greek mythology, the constellation Orion is said to represent a mighty hunter, whose story involves encounters with gods and mythical creatures. In Chinese tradition, the constellation known as the Azure Dragon marks the arrival of spring and is deeply connected to ancient tales of celestial guardians. Other cultures, such as the indigenous peoples of the Americas and Aboriginal Australians, have their own unique stories, often using constellations to explain natural phenomena or to guide seasonal activities. These narratives not only reflect the imagination of each society, but also highlight the universal human fascination with the night sky. In ancient times, constellations played a vital role in daily life. They served as navigational guides, helping travelers and sailors find their way across vast deserts and open seas. Observing the patterns and movements of stars also allowed people to predict changes in the weather, which was crucial for agriculture and survival. Beyond practical uses, constellations held deep spiritual significance, influencing beliefs and rituals. Many cultures associated specific star formations with myths, gods, and seasonal events, weaving them into their traditions and religious practices. The development of modern astronomy has revolutionized our understanding of constellations. Using scientific methods, astronomers now rely on precise observations and advanced technology to identify and classify star patterns. Unlike ancient traditions that often depended on mythology and visual impressions, contemporary approaches involve detailed mapping of celestial coordinates and analysis of stellar properties. International organizations, such as the International Astronomical Union, have established standardized boundaries for constellations, ensuring consistency across the globe. This systematic classification allows for more accurate navigation, research, and communication within the scientific community. As a result, our knowledge of the night sky continues to expand, guided by rigorous scientific principles. Throughout history, constellations have been depicted in myths and legends as elaborate figures representing gods, heroes, and animals. These stories often assigned vivid shapes and personalities to groups of stars, creating a rich tapestry of cultural meaning. However, modern astronomical observations reveal that the stars forming a constellation are often separated by vast distances and may not be physically related. When viewed through telescopes or captured in photographs, the stars appear as scattered points of light, lacking the intricate forms imagined in ancient tales. Today, constellations serve primarily as a way to organize the night sky, helping astronomers and stargazers locate celestial objects. The contrast between mythological imagery and scientific reality highlights how human imagination has shaped our understanding of the cosmos. Modern astronomers classify constellations using a standardized international system established by the International Astronomical Union in 1922. This system divides the sky into 88 official constellations, each with clearly defined boundaries. By using these constellations as reference points, astronomers can accurately locate and study celestial objects. The system facilitates communication and collaboration across the global scientific community, ensuring consistency in research and data sharing. Constellations also play a crucial role in mapping the night sky and tracking the movement of stars, planets, and other phenomena. Their use extends to both professional research and educational outreach, helping to make the vast universe more accessible and understandable. Throughout history, constellations have been surrounded by myths and legends, often attributed with mystical powers or influence over human fate. Many people still believe that the stars within a constellation are physically close to each other, forming meaningful patterns in the sky. However, modern science reveals that these stars are often separated by vast distances and are not related in any physical way. The shapes we see are simply projections from our viewpoint on Earth. Additionally, while ancient cultures assigned personalities and stories to constellations, astronomy today focuses on their role in mapping the night sky and understanding stellar evolution. This shift from myth to scientific knowledge helps us appreciate both the cultural significance and the true nature of constellations. Constellations and astrology are often mentioned together, but they represent very different concepts. In astronomy, constellations are patterns of stars officially recognized and mapped in the night sky. These groupings help astronomers identify regions and navigate celestial objects. In contrast, astrology interprets the positions of stars and planets as influences on human personality and fate. While astrology relies on symbolic meanings and traditions, astronomy is grounded in scientific observation and evidence. The boundaries and definitions of constellations in astronomy do not align with astrological signs, which are based on ancient systems. Understanding this distinction highlights the difference between cultural beliefs and scientific reality. Constellations play a significant role in modern science. They are used as reference points for celestial navigation, helping astronomers and navigators accurately determine positions in the sky. Researchers also rely on constellations to study cosmic phenomena, such as the movement of stars, the behavior of galaxies, and the origins of various astronomical events. Beyond their scientific utility, constellations continue to inspire curiosity and drive the spirit of exploration, encouraging both professionals and enthusiasts to seek new discoveries in the universe. The legends surrounding constellations have left a lasting imprint on contemporary culture and the arts. Stories from ancient mythology continue to inspire filmmakers, writers, and visual artists who reinterpret these celestial tales in modern contexts. Constellations often appear as motifs in literature, fashion, and even branding, symbolizing mystery, guidance, or destiny. Their mythological origins add depth to creative works, connecting audiences to a shared human fascination with the night sky. In music and theater, references to star lore evoke emotion and wonder, bridging the past with the present. Through these influences, the myths of the constellations remain vibrant, shaping artistic expression and popular imagination today. In conclusion, the intersection between ancient legends and modern astronomy offers a fascinating perspective on constellations. Stories passed down through generations have shaped how people interpret the night sky, imbuing stars with cultural meaning and mythological significance. Today, scientific advancements allow us to understand the physical nature of these celestial formations, revealing their true origins and structure. Yet the myths continue to enrich our appreciation, connecting us to the past while deepening our curiosity about the universe. This blend of tradition and science highlights the enduring power of human imagination in exploring and interpreting the cosmos.